Hello friends, welcome back to Robotics Automate Academy. Today you are going to learn assignment operators. But before that, if you haven't watched my operators or unary operator video, then please do watch it. You can find the link in the description box, so please do check that out because they're going to be very important for this video and for my next videos as well, my next future videos. And this whole video is based on variables, and if you don't know what variables are, then watch my variables video. You can find the link in the description box. And today you are going to learn what are assignment operators and an in-depth tutorial. So guys, let's get started. What are assignment operators? The assignment operators place data within a variable. This simple assignment operator appears in previous chapters of the book, but Python offers a number of other interesting assignment operators that you can use. These other assignment operators can perform mathematical tasks during the assignment process, which makes it possible to combine assignment with a math operation. Review from my operators video. As you know from my operators video, there are 8 assignment operators. First one is this equals sign. You can proceed as equals. So in variable, when you are assigning some data to it, you can say like num equals 5. So num, then this equal sign and the number 5. So next is plus equals, as you see. So let's say you are playing a game and you are the player and your objective is to kill the enemy, and if you kill one enemy your score gains +1. So let's say you are creating that game, and now for every time enemy dies, there is player gets +1 for the score. So you can add it like this. There are two ways you can do it: score plus equal +1. Then another ways or shorter way is score plus equal 1. And same with the minus equals. So let's say if you want to subtract the player's lives if the enemy collides with it, then you can use this minus equal. So every time player dies, their lives is -1. Same with times equal. Let's say if your player defeats the boss, then the player's stand gets multiplied by 2. Then you can use this times equal like the other one. Then divide equals same thing. Then modulus equals. So modulus are used to find the remainder of a division. So let's say if you did like 10 divided by 3, know that the answer is a decimal, not an whole number. So the remainder is the answer you get. Then the squared, and you know what squared means. For example, 2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25. 5 times 5, 2 times 2, like that. Then a double slash equals. So they are used to find they're like called a floor division. So let's say for example you divide 10 by 10 divided by 3. The answer you should get is 3.3, 3 going forever. But when you do this in Python using the double slash, the Python will round the number. So if number is like less than 0.50, then it's the previous number, and if it's like more than 0.50, then it's the next number. So for example 3.50, if it's like less than that, 3.25, it will round to 3, and if it's more than 3.50, like 3.75, then it will be 4. So this is how you use the 8 assignment operators. I'm using PyCharm. So I wrote this code, score equals 0, and then I will print it, and when I run it I should get 0. So let's run it. And we get 0. So this was the first assignment operator. For the second one, I'm going to now update the score. So for example, you wrote like number of lines, but now I want to update the score, so I can just say score plus equal 1. You can like leave space if you want, or you can just not. No, your wish. I'm going to run it again, and I should get 1. And if I do minus equal, I will just change this code to 3, and you should get 2. As you see here, I'm going to times multiply. I'm saying times equal, and I will get 6. And let's do 8. And if I divide it, I will get 4. Then we are next going to do is modulus. So as usual, I will do the same equation, 10 expression 10 divided by 3, and we run it. See, we get 1 as remainder, because see, 3 times 3 is 9. Then no, 1 is in the remainder. Then we'll do like square. Let's square this. We will get 4. If I do 5, 25. And lastly, the double slash. See, I'm going to do 3, then 10. See, it rounds it to 3. And you know that 10 over 3 is not a whole number, it's a float value. So see, but it rounds it to 3, and it's because of the double slash. So friends, this objective is achieved. By now you should have a knowledge of assignment operators. Next video is going to be about arithmetic operators, and next video is going to be very easy and fun, because arithmetic is all about math and you already know math very well. So next video is going to be like a piece of cake. And guys, please subscribe and hit the like button if you learned something new or if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. This is probably the end of the video, so I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.